It's not my choice. It's yours.
My friend once told me something so right. He said to be careful of thieves in the night. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, I've lost you here in the crowd. Open your arms, I want to be found. Oh, oh, oh. Maybe I'm calling your name in the night. Open our eyes, we'll feel without sight. Is a light, but also desire. A need can mean nothing, but should be held high. Oh, a need is a want, wearing disguise. It can be confused, if fueled by desire. Into my eyes. Happiness is what we are. This is what we want. May it be that we don't My friend once told me something so right. He said to be careful of bugs that don't bite. Whoa. My friend once told me something so right. He said to